Tom Matthews from Matthews Engineering here. I'm going to show some 3D prints from JLCPCB. This is an import outfit. I've bought circuit boards from them and they're starting to offer 3D printing service. And although I've done some 3D printing on my own, the idea of an outside vendor that has better machines than I do and has the people, the staff to do the printing for me is attractive. So I went ahead and tried them out and sent the same part to several different resins and machine types or in 3D print types. I ordered these about 13 days ago. It takes about 1 day to do the file approval. They'll review your file. If they find something that they don't like, they'll let you know. And then that takes a day or two to resolve that. And then DHL shipping to the United States was about $20, and the total turnaround time was 13 days to get these. So here's the lowest cost, and I think this is their go-to resin, everyday resin. This is a stereolithography SLA resin, Lido 6060. These were $1.90 a piece, and you can get them in any quantity at that price, including one piece. And the surface quality is very good. Details are good. It's very smooth finish. Only available in white though, so you gotta like white. The next test is a SLS nylon 3201 PA-F. These were $4.56, printed in any quality. These are also excellent, and this is a stereolithography process. Surface quality here is also very good. This file I may have not sent them this with as many triangles as I should have. You should send a lot of detail because these newer printers can print very fine detail, and if your file doesn't have enough facets in it, your result can suffer. This one's on I think this is a Hewlett-Packard printer, PA12-HP black nylon resin. And very good again, very nice surface quality, and presumably the nylon is a stronger plastic than the others, but these all seem pretty sturdy, and even the cheapest one over here is probably usable in most all applications, not just as a model. Okay, so the F-fusion deposition modeling is still very popular, but and these were a little more expensive, but you can see the lines, and it's the normal fusion deposition modeling, drawbacks. It's more visible on this black one. You can see, especially on the surface quality is dependent on what facet you're looking at. So sometimes the top and the bottom will have either a really crummy surface quality or a really good. And it'll be variable because you can see that that's printed with the extruded plastic strings coming out of what is almost basically a hot glue gun. And then they also have stainless steel, so that's this part, and it is more expensive, but wow, that's not a bad price for one piece turnaround. So you could get this part for $47.93 and $20 shipping. Very good. The surface quality could be a little better, but again, that could be my fault. Maybe I didn't export this with this file with enough triangles in it, but I'm delighted by all of these. Tom Matthews, Matthews Engineering.